Get noticed in this 2008 Mercedes-Benz M-Class. If you're looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. The powertrain includes all-wheel drive with a solid 6-cylinder engine that responds smoothly to its automatic transmission. The anti-lock braking system will keep you safe on the road. Let the outside in with a power sunroof. Carfax is offered to provide you with peace of mind. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this vehicle: power door locks, power windows, cruise control, a satellite radio, power mirrors, an alarm system, power steering. And for your peace of mind, the following safety equipment is included: front ventilated disc brakes, curtain head airbags, passenger airbag, side airbag, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.